Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about these product which I recently ordered from Nykaa Independence Day sale. I will show you all these product one by one. So without any delay, let's start the video. So this is the eyeshadow palette from Revolution Pro. I have been waiting for this product for so long, thinking that there will be some discount on this palette, but unfortunately, I didn't get any discount on this. So I got this eyeshadow palette for 1350 rupees. I will mention all the price detail on the screen and also in the description box. So all the product details are at the back of this palette. So this is the closer look of this eyeshadow palette. I will also be sharing some of the swatches of this eyeshadow palette. So let's have a look. Now let's just move on to another product. This is foundation brush from Pack 265. I got this brush for around 535 rupees. There was no discount on this product, but there was one offer on this, which I will tell you later in this video. I applied foundation with the help of this brush, and now I am applying some loose powder. You hardly feel that you are using brush, as it is very soft and it is very easy to apply foundation with this brush. It blends your foundation very easily. So over and all, I'm very happy with this brush. So next product is also from Pack. This is eyeshadow blending brush 204. I got this brush for around 535 rupees. The bristles of this brush are very soft and it's very easy to blend eyeshadow with the help of this brush. And this is this third product. I also got this from Pack. This is Pack 114. I got this brush for around 585 rupees. I will use this blending brush for my crease line and for my outer corner. As you guys can see that it is little bended toward one side. So I will use this on my outer corner V part. So this is Pack Liquid Glow Highlighter. I got this free with those three Pack brushes. So let me apply this highlighter on my hand. This is around 600 rupees, but I got this free on some offer on Pack brushes. The offer which I was telling before. To be very honest, I didn't like it very much. It's an okay product for me. Maybe I can mix this with my foundation and I can use this for. This is the eyeliner brush from Vega. I didn't had any thin brush like this before, so I ordered this one for some liquid eyeshadow and for cut crease. It was for 99 rupees and I got this for 97 rupees. So next is this Color Bar Velvet Matte Lipstick. It was around 340 rupees, but on discount I got this for 270 rupees. This is in shade Oh My Magenta. This is a very pretty shade. I've been looking for this shade for so long and finally I ordered the shade. So now next is this Maybelline Sensational Creamy Matte Lipstick in shade Touch of Spice. It was for 299 rupees but I got this for 254 rupees. I am not very much fond of nude shade. Also I didn't had any so I ordered this one. This is Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. It was for 510 rupees but on discount I got this for 383 rupees. So I have applied 2-3 layers of this mascara and as you guys can see it instantly curled my lashes and it has also given the volume to my eyes. I will definitely buy this product again. So next is this eyebrow pencil from Etude House Drawing in shade 06 Black. It was for 260 rupees and there was no discount on this product. So on one end of the product it has this brush and on the other end it has this pencil which is very sharp and you can easily draw your eyebrows with this. Next product is this eyelash glue from Miss Clear. It's in black color. I wanted to buy the black one so I ordered this one and it was for rupees 295 and there was no discount on this product. I also ordered this micellar makeup remover from Garnier. I have been using this product since I've started using makeup and it's been 2-3 years that I'm using this product and I think it's my fifth or sixth bottle. So the product was for around 399 rupees and I got this for 319 rupees. So these are the K Beauty nail paint in shade lavender and seafront. This lavender shade always remain out of stock. I somehow managed to place this order today. So these are for 225 rupees. But this seafront shade I got this for 191 rupees. But there was no discount for the lavender shade. And the second last product that I have is this amazing bag from Nykaa. See how much product you can put in this one bag. So the actual price of this bag is around 300 but I got this for 270 rupees on discount. So these are the last product which I ordered. These are sheet mask. I added 6 sheet mask in my cart and I paid for only 3 as I got discount. All the details are mentioned at the back of the product and also I have applied K Beauty Seafront shade. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching the whole video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Take care and bye bye.